here. First, when you put the saw blade, making sure clean it. Clean both sides. And clean here too. Okay. And put the saw blade. Then use this one. Also clean it. Here, turn it to MPG model. Use this one, this wheel. Turn this wheel. You can see it move. Here. The speed is 100. 100. If we change it to 10, it will be slower. It will be slower. Okay. So first we use 100 to move fast. Move it. Let it close. Then changing it to 10, make it slower. And turning the saw blade at the same time. Make sure it's just a touch. Okay, it's touched now. Come here. Now see, this X size is minus 0.65. Okay. If we want to grind a new blade, we should push here. User 1. User 1. It will become 0.2 as per our setting. Okay, when here is 0.02, it means we push the right button, and it's not 0, and this is not 0. So we need to turn this 2 also to 0. Here, A. Use G50. And A, here is A. Double clicking it to A, 0, and enter to come to 0. 第一要确定吗？这不用切，这不用。Okay, we make sure A is 0. Then back to X. Okay, user, and now use auto. And start.